Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 29 mixed bag revision. So, children, now we learn about unit number 29 revision. So, let's start. Number first, sun. S-U-N. Sun. So, children, here we can see a photograph of sun. So, the sun shines during the day. So, the sun is a star found at the center of the solar system. The sun is a star found at the center of the solar system, and it makes up around 99.86% of the solar system's mass, and around 74% of the sun's mass is made up of hydrogen. So, light from the sun reaches Earth in around 8 minutes, and the sun's surface temperature is around 5500 degrees Celsius. So, pack plenty of sunscreen if you plan on visiting. So, remembering that average distance from the sun to earth is around 150 million kilometers. So, children, the sun is a star found at the center of the solar system, and the sun shines during the day, and it makes up around 99.86% of the solar system's mass, and around 1392000 kilometers wide, and the sun's diameter is about 110 times wider than Earth's, and around 74% of the sun's mass is made up of hydrogen, and light from the sun reaches Earth is around 8 minutes. So, children, you all are understand about sun. So, now we are going to learn next slide, and it's a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. So, here we can see a photograph of rabbit. So, rabbit eat carrot, and a baby rabbit is called kit, and a female is called dove, and male is called buck. So, rabbits are social creatures that live in a group. Rabbits are a social creature that live in a group, and they live in a burrow and a wars and the series of the tunnels and the rooms and that they dig underground. So rabbits dig underground, and a rabbit's teeth never stop growing. Rabbit teeth never stop growing, and some peoples have a rabbit as a pet. Some peoples have rabbits as a pets, and rabbits are also raised for their meat, and rabbits are of different biological classifications. They here so we find rabbits in a different color, and rabbits are very social creatures that live in a group, and rabbit mostly eat carrots, and rabbit's teeth never stop growing, and some peoples have rabbits as a pets, so they live in a burrow or dig underground. So, childrens, you all are understand about rabbits. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a blue sky. BLUESKY, blue sky. So here we can see a photograph of sky, and it's blue in color. So our sky seems to be blue. So blue light is scattered in all directions by the tiny molecules of air in Earth's atmosphere. So, a color of blue because it travels as a shorter, smaller waves, and this is why we see blue sky. And most of time, closer to the horizon, the sky faded to a lighter blue or a white. So, the sky seems look blue, and blue is scattered more than other colors because it travels as a shorter, smaller waves. And this is why we see a blue sky most of time. Closer to the horizon, the sky fades to a lighter blue or a white. So, the sky seems blue. So, now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a fire. FIRE, fire. So, children, here we can see a photograph of fire. Fire is a chemical reaction that raises light and heat. So, fire is a hot and substance combined with oxygen in the air, commusing with a flame and often smoke. So, fire requires a fuel and oxygen and heat to burn. Fire is a chemical reaction that release and light and heat, and substance combines with oxygen in the air. So, combusing with a flame and often smoke. So, fire is a hot. So, children, we see that fire is in a yellow and orange in a color, and it's a chemical reactions that release light and heat and burn with oxygen in the air, and with a flame and often smoke. Fire requires fuel and oxygen and heat to burn. So, children, you all are understand that fire is hot. Fire is hot. So, fire here also we can find the photograph of fire, and the fire is a chemical reaction in which substance fuel combines with oxygen and making an extremic reaction with the emission of light, heat, and smoke. So, fire is a chemical reaction in which substance combines with oxygen, making an extremic reaction with the emission of light, heat, and smoke. So, children, you all are understand about fire. Fire is hot. So, now we are going to learn a next slide in it's a florist. FLORIST, florist. So here we can see a photograph of florist, and the florist sells flowers. florists manage a shop selling flowers, and they also make and sell artistic arrangement of the flowers and plants, and such as a bouquet, and they are sometimes called floral designer. So, florists manage shops selling flowers. They also make and sell artistic arrangement and flowers and plants such as a bouquet and wreaths, and they are sometimes called a floral designer. So the florist sell flowers and also manage arrange artistic arrangement of flowers and plants. So childrens, now we are going to learn next slide. It's the metro train. So the metro train is underground train. So childrens, here we can see a photograph of metro train, and it's the underground train. So metro train facilities a transportation within the city limits. So it's faster than any ordinary train, so people can reach their destination soon, and more people can travel in a metro train. The metro train is metro is an underground train, and metro train facilities transportation within the city limits. It is a faster than any ordinary train, so people can reach their destination soon, and more people can travel in a metro train. A metro rail that runs on two rails like all other trains all over the world. So children, here also we can find a metro train and metro rail that runs on two rails like all other trains all over the world, and most rapid transit trains are electrical multiple units with a length from 3 to beyond 10 cars, and they use pantagraphs. So metro train is an underground train. So children's metro train facilities transportation within the city limits, and it is a faster than any ordinary train, so people can reach their destination soon, and more people can travel in metro train. So children, you all are understand about metro train. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a rhinoceros. 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 So the rhinoceros has a horn. So here we can see a photograph of rhinoceros. Uh, Rhinoceros have one strong horn, and a rhino for a short is any mammals in the family of rhinocerotids. So they are in the order. There are 5 living species. 2 of these species are native to Africa, and 3 of these species are also native to southern parts of Asia. So, rhinoceros or rhino have a 4 leg, a strong body, and have a big and strong horn. So, children, you all are understand about rhinos. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's the Ganga is a river. Ganga river. So the Ganga river is a most important river in India. So here we can see a photograph of a river Ganga. So the Ganga is a most important river in India and religious significant to Hindus. So the Ganga river is 1557 miles long, uh, 1557 miles long, and the Ganges is one of the most polluted river system in the world. The Ganga river is most important river in India and religious significant to Hindu, and Ganga river is 1557 miles long, and Ganga is one of the most polluted river system in the world. The river Ganga is the largest river in India. It is 2510 km long and on average 52 feet deep, but at its deepest it is 100 feet, and it is considered the holiest of all rivers by Hindus, and they believe that if you drink it, it can cure disease and clear all signs, and therefore most Hindu families have a bottle of its water in case anyone is sick. Anyone is sick. So the river Ganga is the largest river in India, and it is 2510 km long and on average 52 feet deep, but at its deepest it is 100 feet, and it is considered the holiest of all rivers by Hindus, and that they believe that if you drink it, it can cure disease and clear all sins, and therefore most Hindu families have a bottle of its water in case anyone is sick. So the Ganga river is the most important river in India and religious significant to Hindus, and the Ganga river is 1557 miles long, and the Ganga is one of the most polluted river in the world. So children, you all are understand that Ganga is a river. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's Varanasi. 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 So here we can see a photograph of Varanasi. So Varanasi is in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Varanasi is a city in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, and dating to the 11th century before Christ, regarded as the spiritual capital of India. The city draws Hindu pilgrims who bathe in the Ganga's river, scald water, and perform a funeral rites along the city's winding streets. Are some 2000 temples, including Kashi Vishwanath, the Golden Temple dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. So, Varanasi is a city in northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, and it's a rivers scald water and perform funeral rites, and it's a temple including Kashi Vishwanath and the Golden Temple dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. So children, you all are understand that Varanasi is in a UP. So now next, and it's Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is plays cricket. So here we can see a photograph of Virat Kohli, and Virat Kohli is an Indian cricketer and the current captain of the Indian national team and a right-handed top order batsman. So Kohli is regarded as one of the best contemporary batsmen and in the world. So he plays cricket and also Royal Challengers Bangalore in the Indian uh, Primer and Indian Premier and has been the team's captain since 2030. So, Virat Kohli plays cricket and also an Indian cricketer and the current captain of the Indian national team and the right-handed top order batsman. So Kohli regarded as one of the best contemporary batsmen in the world. So children, you all are understand about this slide. So now we are going to learn exercise on it. So unit number 29 and our topic is mixed bag. So children, you all are right with me. Take the correct answer. Number first, the sun shines during the day or night. The sun shines during the day. So the sun shines during the day. Okay, now number 2. Rabbits eat rice or carrot. So what rabbit eat? Rabbit eat carrot. So the rabbit eat carrot. Now number 3. The sky seems green or blue. So the sky seems blue in a color. We see sky is a blue. Okay, now number 4. Fire is cold or hot. So fire is a hot. Fire is hot. Children, you all are right with me. Now number 5. The florist sell. So the florist sell flowers or a fruit. What the florist sells? So the florist sells flowers. Here also we can find the photograph of florist. So the sun shines during the day. Here we can see a photograph of sun and the sun shines during the day. Next, a rabbit eat carrot. So here we can see a rabbit eat carrot. And number 3, the sky seems blue. The sky seems blue in a color. Now number 4, fire is hot. So here we can see a photograph of fire. So fire is a hot. And number 5, the florist sell flowers. So here we can see the florist sells flowers. So children, now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's number 6. The metro is an underground. So here we can see photograph of metro. So what is it? It's a train. So the metro is an underground train. Okay, now number 7. The rhinoceros has a trunk or a horn. So here we can see a photograph of rhinoceros. So rhinoceros have a horn. Here we can see a strong horn. Now number 8. The Ganga is a city or a river. So the Ganga is a river and most important river in India. So the Ganga is a river. And now number 9. Varanasi is in a UP or a Bihar? So Varanasi is in a UP. Okay, now number 10 and last. Virat Kohli plays football or a cricket? So Virat Kohli plays cricket. So it's a cricketer. And we see here number 6. The metro is an underground train. So here we can find a photograph of metro train. And the rhinoceros have a horn, strong body and strong horn. And number 8, the Ganga is a river. So Ganga is a river and most important river in India. And number 9, Varanasi is in a UP. Varanasi is in a UP. And number 10, Virat Kohli plays cricket. So children, you all enjoy. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, stay home and stay safe and don't forget to wash your hand regularly. Thank you students.